Hi, everyone. It's day 192 of the Feathered Quest, and our bird today is the Belted Kingfisher. Belted kingfishers dig like pros, thanks to two fused toes, and their nesting tunnels are basically bird-made bunkers. Couples take turns excavating a 3 to 6 foot tunnel that slopes uphill into a little room so rising water can't crash the nursery. Let's go find that daily feather. Thanks for coming along with me today, guys. Remember, you are loved and the world is full of wonder. So, did we find our bird of the day?